In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your store properly, step by step. This process is important if you're done with your store and want to make sure you don't get charged again. Even if you're on a trial right now, the steps are almost exactly the same once you move to a paid plan. So stick with me to make sure you don't miss anything. Start by logging into your Shopify account. From your main dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click Settings. Then choose the Plan section from the menu. Before we move forward, here's a quick but important reminder. If your store has any paid apps installed, make sure to uninstall them first. Even if you close your store, some third-party apps can still charge you if they remain connected. So open your Apps tab, go through your list, and remove anything with recurring charges. Now back in the Plan section, you'll see an option to either pause your store or deactivate it entirely. Since I'm on a test account, the Deactivate Store button doesn't appear here for me, but if you're on a paid plan, it will show up right at the bottom of the section. Click Deactivate Store. Shopify will show you a final warning that once your store is closed, you won't have access to your data, orders, or customer details. However, your store data will be saved for up to 2 years in case you ever want to reactivate. Finally, confirm deactivation. Once that's done, your Shopify subscription will be canceled, and your store will be officially closed. You'll no longer be charged going forward. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy Shopify guides.